everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in Shein account. So first of all, launch open Shein application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here Shein application has been opened. At bottom, you'll be able to find the options like shop, category, cart and me. Tap on the me option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to find the option for sign in or register. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to the sign in or register interface. If you do not have the account, you can register for your account. If you have the account, you can directly sign in to your account. You can either sign in with email or phone number, or you can also continue with Google or continue with Facebook. So simply tap on the sign in method that you used while creating your account. Here I'm just going to sign in with my email. So tap on the filled email or phone number. Now what you have to do is enter your email or phone number over here. You can see over here I've already entered my email. Now tap on the continue option that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to enter your password. If you have forgotten your password, you can tap on the option forget your password. After that, you'll be able to recover it. Otherwise, simply enter your password. Now after entering the password, tap on the sign in option that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll be signed in to your account. So that is how you log in Shein account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.